Last couple of days when we talked about the forecast track, every run of the computer models is pushing it just a tiny little bit farther westward. So instead of going near Tampa, it's looking like maybe towards the Florida Panhandle. Right now it's southwest of Jamaica, 50-mile-an-hour winds. Needs 74 to be a hurricane. It's going to be going over water a few degrees warmer than it actually is now, close to 90 degrees. Wow. So this is actually slated to be fueling a major hurricane, and by the time it passes Cuba, maybe a Category 4 hurricane. And yesterday, it looked like the track was going to be here, yes, and now it's more up to maybe near Tallahassee.
There's a lot of fingernail biting up in Florida.
Yeah, and where it goes after that, that's going to influence our weather, so we're going to talk about that. But that is a look at the forecast from the National Hurricane Center, but we like to show you the spaghetti plot of models, and you can see a lot of them converging on somewhere between southwestern Florida and eastern New Orleans here, so still the eastern Gulf Coast not out of it. And then what happens after that, as I mentioned yesterday, still a wide range of where this thing may be next weekend. One thing that's making this kind of confusing as to where exactly it's going to go, we have two big areas of high pressure on either side of it, this trough and the jet stream, which will be in this position by Wednesday. So these will all kind of push it west or east a little bit, and it's exactly where this trough ends up being and where those highs end up being, whether it goes a little bit farther west or eastward. So that is why the forecast is still a bit uncertain as of right now.